I am Kalai Selvi, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. Myself and the students going to do pedagogy activity, pick and play for the first year students. Subject code CS22102, Software Development Practices. I have listed out all the topics. Based upon that, student can pick a topic and discuss the scenario and write the program for that. And they will explain the scenario and the program, and they have to give the same display as per in the question. First one will be the design for developer, and I will start out all the scenarios. Now, student can pick a question from it.
Hello everyone, I am Tanigay Velavan. I am from IT department, first year. Today I am going to pick some exercises in HTML. Here we are going to display the background color as a black. So we use as an inline style for that. Body style is equal to background color black. And next we are going to display the first line in H4 tag in cyan color. So uses the inline style for that. Inline style for that. So H4 style is equal to color cyan. Under that we are given that content. And next we're going to print the two line content in a H1 tag in a white color. So we use as the inline style for that. H1 style is equal to color white. Under that we given that content. And last line should be in the dark gray color in H3 tag. So we use as the inline style for that. H3 style is equal to color dark gray. Under then we have given that two line content. So for that, the output will be like this. And the third exercise, here we are going to display the background color as a light blue. And first line in a H2 tag, and second line in a P tag, and third we have to implement an image, and fourth line in a P tag, and last we have to implement another image. So first we declare a header file, header tag as a HTML, and we use the inline style to give the background color as a light blue. So body style is equal to background color light blue. And the first line in the H2 tag, the black color is a default, so we didn't use any inline style for that. So H2, under that we have given that Indian cricketer. And third, we use the P tag. P tag means paragraph tag. Under that we have given the content. And third, we have implement an image. We have implement an image. So for that we use the image tag. The URL of image has been copied from the Google Chrome. The link URL should be placed between the double quotes. And fourth line should be in the paragraph tag. So we use the P tag for that. Under that we are given the content. And last we have implement another image. The URL is being copied from the Google Chrome. For that we are given the size width and height for 500. The output will be like this. And last, here we are given that background as a image. In previous exercise, we are given the background as a color, but here we are given the background as an image. Actually, it's not an image, it's a GIF. GIF means graphical interchange format. So first we declare a header tag as a HTML. Under that we use the body. Under that we use the inline style for that. So body style is equal to background image. The URL should be placed copied between the double quotes. Under the first line of the first line should be display at the center of the center. So we use the H1 style. The style we use the text align for that. Text align for that to display at the center. Under that we are given the content. Take a break and go for a trip. And the output will be like this. Actually, it will move. And thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Bharatwaj from IT Department of RMD Engineering College. I'm here to explain the program number 7, 8, and 9. First, the agenda is to create a web page with table and a web page with multiple buttons and a web page with hoverable buttons. Let's start with creating a table in the website. This is the question. Our aim is to create an employee table with a 3-column name, job title, and email address. First, we have to create a heading using h2 tag. Next, we use a table tag to create a table. Inside the table tag, we use tr tag to create a row elements, and we use t tag to edit cells. That's it. The table has been created. This is the output of the table. Next, we are going to create a web page with multiple buttons. First, we look up the question. This is the question we have to create. At first, we create h2 tag for heading, and we use button tag for creating the button, and we use inline styling method to style the button with a background color. For that, we will be typing the attributes inside the button tag. That style is equal to background color, the desirable color. In this case, the color is green, so we are using here the color green. This is the output of the web page with multiple buttons. Next, we will be creating a web page with hoverable buttons. This is the question. We need to create a 5 buttons with the border color of what they have been mentioned and should be hovered with the background color of what they've mentioned. In this case, if the green button is hovered, then it should be have a property of hovering in the background of a green color. So let's code for this. First, we have to create a heading using the h2 tag and a paragraph using the paragraph tag, then a strong using the strong tag. Then we will be creating 5 buttons using the button tag and group and passing them the classes, so we can access it for styling very easily. Then we have to go to style it. Inside the head tag, we will be opening a style tag, and we will be calling one by one the classes of that's the buttons, and we will be styling out with the background and the border and the padding and something else, whatever we need, and also the transition. After everything, the output will be like this. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Pratyush from IT department first year. I am going to discuss set of HTML programs. I have chosen exercises number 2, 4 and 6. This is our first program. In this program, you can see the background image orange. So first, in body style, we are declaring background color orange. Here, they have asked us to use h1 tag to display Ricardo's page. Using h1 tag, we can display the text in larger size. So inside h1 tag, we are declaring the text color green and we are typing Ricardo's page. This will be printed on the output screen. And we are closing the h1 tag. In h2 tag, we have to display my dog in green color. So similarly, we are opening h2 tag and declaring color green. Here we are typing my dog and closing the h2 tag. Next, we have to download one image of a dog and paste the link of the image here. Image src is equal to URL and the image is left aligned, so float left. Next, this we have to display through paragraph tag, that is p tag. So we are opening p tag and declaring the color as green. Style is equal to color green and we are typing the text here. This will be displayed in green color as shown in the image and closing the paragraph tag p tag. So the output of the following code will be this. This is our second exercise. So here the background color is light green. So inside style, background color light green. We are closing the style tag and head tag. Inside body tag, here you can see this login which is aligned at center. So we are opening center tag and they have asked us to use h1 tag. So we have opened h1 tag, inside h1 tag, login, and we are closing the center tag. Next, we have to create this username and password. For this, we have to use form. So we are opening form tag. Here you can see some space between login and username. For this, we have to use BR tags. I have used 3 BR tags and we are opening center tag. To create this username, we have to code like this: label for equal to login username, and the data what we are going to enter is of input text format. So input ID is equal to login, type is equal to text, and here you can see the space between username and password. So again I have put BR tag, label for is equal to for password pwd, and the password what we are going to give is of text type. So input type I am giving text. Here you can see the space between password and this login button. So again I am giving BR tag. So next we have to create this login button. They have asked us to use this button tag. So I am opening button tag. It must show login. So I am typing here login and I am closing the button tag, closing center tag, form, body tag. So the output of this code will give me this image. Our next exercise is this. So first they have asked us to display this Himalayas, the Himalayas using h2 tag. They have aligned it in the center. So first inside h2 tag, I am mentioning the Himalayas. I am mentioning it inside the center tag since it should be aligned in the center. And below that, this text must be printed using p tag. Here you can see some space. So I am using br tag and typing the Himalayas are the largest mountain range in the world using p tag. And this image must be displayed after this text. The position of this image is absolute. So I'm setting the position of the image and the text inside this is center aligned and the position is relative inside the container. So I'm mentioning it here, position relative. So the output of this code will show you this image, Himalayas. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.